How are modern LED lights made? Step inside a world-class factory and watch the complete process. Every LED light begins with carefully selected materials and precision electronic components. Advanced inspection systems ensure only perfect components enter production. Robotic SMT machines assemble thousands of electronic parts with incredible precision. Automated soldering permanently connects every component for reliable performance. Each circuit board is electrically tested before becoming part of a finished LED light. Each LED module is mounted onto a precision heatsink for efficient cooling. Reliable drivers and secure electrical connections power every LED light safely. Robotic assembly transforms individual parts into a complete lighting unit. Optical calibration guarantees consistent brightness and accurate light quality. Extreme environmental testing ensures every LED light is built to last. Burn-in testing confirms long-term performance before every product leaves the factory. Waterproof testing protects every LED light in demanding environments. Mechanical stress tests verify durability under real-world conditions. Laser marking provides permanent product identification and full traceability. A final inspection ensures every LED light meets the highest quality standards. Every approved LED light is carefully packaged for maximum protection. Automated palletizing prepares thousands of products for efficient shipping. Smart warehouses organize inventory with speed and precision. Verified shipments leave the factory and begin their journey to customers. The finished LED lights arrive ready for professional installation. Skilled installation brings the factory-built LED lights into everyday use. Every lighting system is carefully installed and tested for reliable operation. Engineers verify performance to ensure maximum efficiency and perfect illumination. The finished LED lighting system transforms the workplace with bright, energy-efficient light. As one project is completed, the factory immediately begins producing the next generation of LED lights. The factory also produces powerful industrial lighting for demanding environments. Advanced photometric testing guarantees accurate light performance and efficiency. Smart electronics transform modern LED lights into intelligent lighting systems. Every smart lighting product is tested for seamless automated operation. From homes to factories and city streets, one facility produces lighting solutions for every application. Finished products leave the factory to serve customers across the country. Modern LED lighting improves safety, efficiency, and comfort in essential facilities. High-performance LED street lights illuminate roads with reliable, energy-efficient lighting. Millions of people benefit every day from advanced LED lighting technology. As one production cycle ends, the next begins without stopping. Every production line is monitored to maintain speed, precision, and quality. Advanced automation allows thousands of LED lights to be produced every day. One factory manufactures lighting solutions for homes, industries, businesses, and cities. Every department works together to deliver reliable, energy-efficient LED lighting worldwide. From raw materials to brilliant illumination, this is the complete journey of modern LED light manufacturing.